Hello students, today in this video we are going to study about the movement of substance across the cell membrane or the plasma membrane. In our earlier video we had discussed about the structure of plasma membrane as well as the function of plasma membrane. We already studied that plasma membrane helps in the entry and exit of the substance because cell always need, it is the outer membrane of the cell and the cell always need something to come inside, the important thing which is required for the cell. They want to entry of that things and the some things that they want to exit out from the cell. So plasma membrane play an important role in the movement of substance across the cell the cell. So there are two ways by which the transportation of the substance takes place. The exit or entry of the substance takes place through the plasma membrane by the two forms. First one, the two types, that is passive transport or by the active transport. So in the passive transport is the type of movement in which the substance moves across the cell membrane towards the concentration gradient. So what basically happens in the passive transport, that the passive transport does not require any energy for the movement of the substance, and this movement of substance occurs towards the concentration gradient. So concentration gradient means the difference between the concentration of two solute. So it is towards the concentration gradient. Okay, so the passive transport, we can define the movement of substance across the cell membrane takes place towards the concentration gradient without the use of any energy or ATP. So here ATP is also known as the energy currency. So there are two ways by which the passive transport takes place. One is your osmosis and second one is your diffusion. So in osmosis there is a movement of liquid substance takes place. There is a movement of liquid substance takes place like water and any other solvent. And in diffusion, that you already studied, that is basically occurs in the gases. And in diffusion, from the things move from higher concentration to lower concentration. So here this is the plasma membrane and here the concentration is more and here the concentration is less. So the diffusion takes place from higher concentration to lower concentration. So the movement of the substance occurs from higher concentration to lower concentration. And basically it occurs the diffusion through diffusion, CO2, carbon dioxide, oxygen and some ions moves across the plasma membrane through the process of diffusion. And it is also a passive process. There is no need of energy takes place in it. So we have understood that passive transport is there is no use of energy takes place during the movement of the substance across the cell membrane, and it is according to the concentration gradient, according to the presence of solute, and it is of two types, that is osmosis and diffusion. So diffusion we have understood. Now we are going to understand what is the osmosis process. So in osmosis, it is a passive process. We know that osmosis is a passive process in which ATP is not used or the energy is not required for the movement of the substance across the cell membrane. And this is basically in the water molecules or solvents are passed from solution of low concentration to high concentration. So let's take the illustration that what is the meaning, actually the meaning of osmosis. So here there is a glass in which solute particles are low but the solvent particles are high. So we can say that this is the solution in which concentration is low. Concentration basically used for the solute. That concentration basically used for the solute. So we can say that here the solute particle is less, so it is a solution containing less solute particles, so it have a low concentration is here. And here in contrast you will find that here high solute particle is there and low solvent is there. So we can say that it is high concentration solution. Now, so the movement of water molecules, because osmosis only happen for the water molecules or liquid. For the gas, diffusion occurs, and for the liquid, osmosis process takes place. So now what happens? This water molecules move from solution having low concentration to solution having high concentration. So we can understood that osmosis is a passive process in which water molecules or solvent passes from solution of low concentration, where solute is low concentration, to high concentration solution in which solute is more. Now we should also know about the three different types of medium. That is hypertonic medium, that is medium. It's a medium. You can cut it. Medium, hypertonic medium, hypotonic medium, and isotonic medium. So let's see what is these mediums are. So hypertonic medium, it is a medium in which more solute is present in the solution. If there is more solute particles are present in the solution, that is called hypertonic medium. Hypotonic, so do you understand what is the solute? If this is a glass of water and if we are putting the sugar in it, so sugar is your solute and this water is your solvent. Sugar particles you are using is solute and this is the water in which sugar is dissolved, that is called solvent. So in hypertonic medium there is more solute in the solution. In hypotonic there is less solute in the solution. And in isotonic there is same concentration in both the medium. So let's take the example. If this is a cell and cell is of hypertonic, it means solute is more in it, and it is placed in a hypotonic medium, hypotonic in which solute is less. So what happens? We know that in the osmosis the solvent always passes from lower concentration to higher concentration. So all the solvent will pass from hypotonic to hypertonic, means the solvent will go inside the cell and that is called endoosmosis, and cell gets swell up. Second one, in this example here, this cell is of hypotonic in solution. Hypotonic medium means it having less solute and more solvent, and it is placed in a hypertonic medium in which hypertonic more solute is there. So we know that the solvent, the osmosis is the process in which solvent always move from lower concentration to higher concentration. So the substance, the solvent move from cell to hypertonic solution, and that is called exoosmosis, and cell get shrink.